What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today is my costume reveal. It is also the third and final look of the week. It's also the final look of this series. As you can see, I don't have anything on just because this is a costume reveal. First thing I did is I tried to make my hair green. It looks disgusting. I tried to like scrunch it into my hair and that wasn't working, so I just took all of the green paints that I had and I just whacked it on my hair. I had plans to use this like hair wax that colors your hair and I just completely forgot to order it, and by the time I knew it, it's today. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint my face white. This is a look, isn't it? Hey, how you doing? Alright, next step, I want to fill in my eyebrows, so I'm actually going to fill them in with a red eyeshadow. Okay, my eyebrows are done, and since I'm already on the red eyeshadow, I'm just going to fill in my nose as well. I'm just going to do a circle. Okay, that's the best I could do. I'm actually gonna have to go over it with a red paint just to make it like really nice and opaque. So let me just do that real quickly. Now that I have that done, I'm just going to go in with some eyeliner, do a quick winged liner, and also line my waterline. I feel like it looks so scary. Okay, so I did the eyeliner, very tiny little wing, and I'm actually following Jasmine Brown's Joker costume that she did last year. I saw this after Halloween, like maybe a day or two after Halloween, and ever since I have been wanting to do this look. So I'm gonna link her original video in the description below, but oh, she did so good. So she actually did a bit of a cut crease, and she did the blue triangles above her eyebrow rather than like covering them up and then drawing an eyebrow on top. So I'm literally gonna do exactly what she did. So I'm gonna take this blue shade here, and if I don't think it's opaque enough, then I am gonna go in with some paint. So I have the eyes done. As you can see, I did a very exaggerated cut crease and then the 2 triangles on the top and bottom. Jasmine does have like rhinestones lining the cut crease. That would look really cool. I, again, did not plan ahead, so I'm not doing that. So I'm just going to move on to the mouth. I'm going to use red eyeshadow just to kind of outline the shape that I want, and then I'm going to fill it in with red face paint. You can also use lipstick or like pencil or gel eyeliners if that's what you have. The look is basically done. I feel like it's missing something, so I'm going to take this dark blue face paint and I'm just going to put little dots at the end of all the triangles, and hopefully that works out. I did add some blue dots to the cut crease as well, just to add a little bit of something, and I am pretty much done. I'm just gonna go put on an outfit and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Here is the final look. Here is my makeup, my semi-green hair that you probably can't even see, and the costume itself. I have the vest, the shirt, the jacket. This was a costume that I got off of Target for around $50. It was the cheapest Joker costume that I could find, and it's actually called the Wicked Prankster costume. It's like, it all comes attached, and it's not even like a full-length shirt. I don't know if you guys can see, so yeah. And then it came with these weird, like, kind of spandexy pants. But anyways, let's focus on the top. This is it. This is Joker 2019 inspired. I am so happy with this look. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Thank you to Jasmine Brown, who first created this look, or at least that's who I saw first. And because this is, it's so good, you guys. I mean, look at this. I don't like the pants, but the costume is pretty cool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my costume reveal. I know it's not anything big. I had some really cool stuff planned, but it just didn't work out because of my poor planning. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this series. It was so much fun to create. I can't wait to do this again next year, and I'm actually thinking that maybe throughout the year I'll throw in some little cool videos like this. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I am going to take a little bit of a break because I was filming every other day. I was also like filming, editing, and uploading all in the same day, again because of my poor planning. But yeah, anyways, I will see you guys in like a week or two. Bye!